In this world, all living things are coexisting and flourishing through mutually beneficial interdependence. Many bacteria live in our intestines. In return, these bacteria help us get nourishment by assisting in the digestion of the food we eat. The same is true for the seas and rivers. There are also lots of bacteria living there, and they help in decomposing garbage. This is the natural purifying effect of nature. So why does water become polluted? The major factors are nutrients oversaturation of garbage in water, surfactants contained in household detergents, and oxygen depletion. First, the sea is filled with too much garbage, such as dead fish, feeds, oil, and many other human and animals' waste. Then, microorganisms in the water begin to break them down. Initially, bacteria that choose oxygen predominate, but when the amount of organic matter increases, oxygen in the water becomes deficient, greatly affecting the quantity of those bacteria and their capacity to decompose. Other types of bacteria which do not consume oxygen begin to flourish more than. They can also actually break down organic matter, but as they do so, they release toxins and strong foul odors. In short, as the amount of oxygen in the water goes down, pollution goes up. As you may now have probably realized, the solution therefore is to increase the oxygen concentration in water. But it's not easy, because when oxygen is simply added to the water, it will just immediately escape into the atmosphere. This major concern has been successfully resolved already, however, by our ERS water purification machine with its highly effective and efficient means to increase the oxygen concentration in water. The machine ionizes oxygen and has various extraordinary advantages. Ionized oxygen can stay dissolved in water for a long time. The increase in both oxygen and electrons stimulates the growth of beneficial oxygen-consuming bacteria, leading to an ideal balance in the underwater ecosystem. Another harmful factor in surfactant. Surfactants are useful in removing greasy stains, but they cannot be easily decomposed thereafter. Aside from killing fish, it becomes sludge which accumulates the bottom of covering the soil. This prevents oxygen from being absorbed and stored in the soil, and so the water's deficiency in oxygen progresses even more. Manila Bay and Laguna Lake are both currently in such unfortunate condition. A large amount of surfactant, which is component of detergent, is mixed here. And water combined with pollutants continues to destroy the environment for a long time. This couldn't be helped by anyone. But don't worry, ERS is the only purification device that can decompose surfactants. We propose to install ERS all pumping stations. Now we can crush the source of sludge. And ERS is the only water purification machine in the world that is approved by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. These are the reasons. 1. It decomposes surfactants which are difficult to decompose in nature. 2. It can also break down heavy metals and PCBs, polychlorinated biphenyls. 3. It kills pathogens like E. coli and other harmful viruses. 4. It cleanses piping systems when used in combination with water supply equipment. 5. It has great benefits to nature in the human body. Thank you for watching. The ERS is the only machine that can restore the clean sea.